Hi, welcome to Learn English with Fun Classes everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to help you with lighting of the lamp, ceremonial lamp phrases. Why? Because it is one of the things that you need to understand that you start with while doing your anchoring. To initiate, to start any anchoring, we, by the name of God, we start our event, right? For the starting of the event, you have to host for the lighting of the ceremonial lamp also. So what phrases should we use? What are the some best phrases or the perfect phrases for you all? Today in this video, I will make you understand top 3 most impactful phrases of all time that you can use during your ceremonial lamp lighting in your event. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Alright, so we are ready now to learn the 3 phrases that you need to use while lighting of the ceremonial lamp in your event. So let's see what is the first and second and third. And well, let me tell you, my dear friends, that third one is my personal favorite. So don't miss my favorite. So first is, let us now begin the auspicious lamp lighting ceremony, a symbol of knowledge, wisdom and enlightenment. To mark the beginning of this glorious event, आप इस तरीके से कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं. ये लाइन ये था. अब देखिए इसको बोलना कैसे, ध्यान से समझिएगा. बोलना कैसे ये भी बताऊंगा साथ में. सुनिए जरा ध्यान से. Let us now begin this auspicious lamp lighting ceremony that is a symbol of knowledge, wisdom and enlightenment. To mark the beginning of this glorious event, I would like to invite our dignitaries to come on this stage and participate in this beautiful and auspicious ceremony. हो गया? Right? That's how you need to express yourself. The clearer you will express yourself, the better will be for you to stand there as a very powerful speaker or an anchor as well. Right? So यहाँ से आप अपना लाइन कंटिन्यू कर लेंगे जिस भी तरीके से आपको कंटिन्यू करना है. ये बेसिकली हम जो फ्रेज आज कर रहे हैं वो फ्रेज लाइटिंग ऑफ द लैम्प के लिए ही है पर्टिकुलरली. अभी ये तो फर्स्ट, अब हम सेकंड को देख रहे हैं. लेट्स सी द सेकंड फ्रेज नाउ. लाइटिंग द लैम्प सिग्निफाइज द ट्रियम्फ यानी कि जीत of good over evil and knowledge over ignorance. Let's come together to celebrate this moment of illumination. Let's understand, right? I hope you have understood it, right? अब देखिए बोलना कैसे है हमेशा याद रखिए. It's not the lines that matters, it's the way you speak your lines that matters, right? फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि लाइन कैसा है. लाइन भी पावरफुल हो सकती है और लेस पावरफुल हो सकती है, बट जो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट डालता है वो आपकी आवाज़ है, वो आपकी टोन है, वो आपका हैवीनेस है आपके साउंड में, राइट? सो स्पीक लाइक अ किंग देयर, राइट? लेट्स सी दिस. सो लाइटिंग ऑफ द लैम्प सिग्निफाइज द ट्रियम्फ ऑफ गुड ओवर एविल एंड नॉलेज ओवर इग्नोरेंस. सो लेट्स कम टुगेदर to celebrate this moment of illumination. And for this, I would like to invite our principal sir or the director or the different guests who are there. You will take the names and designations as well and invite them onto the stage. आप उनको invite कर दीजिए उसी टाइम पे. अब आपको जानना है कि invite कैसे करें, तो please check out this video. That's beautiful, right? So this was the second phrase that you need to understand, that you need to use while anchoring. Let's check out the third and my personal favorite phrase for this event. We are right now here to learn the third phrase. Now you would say, sir, it is very short. I accept it, it is short. But you remember in one video I had told and I had announced that simplicity is always the best. जितना सिंपल अपने लैंग्वेज को आप रखेंगे, अपने ऑडियंस को उतना जल्दी आप समझा पाएंगे, और अगर आपके ऑडियंस बहुत जल्दी समझ पा रहे हैं आपको, तो बस कनेक्शन वहीं से बिल्ड होता है, राइट? Easy language is also the best, right? What is the third phrase basically? Let us light the lamp, और let us को आप let's भी बोल देंगे तो बहुत ज़रा भारी मिस्टेक नहीं होगा, right? Let us light the lamp to brighten this event with knowledge and positivity. Let's see how you need to deliver in front of your audience. All right, let's light the ceremonial lamp to brighten this event with knowledge and a lot of positivity. So for this, I would like to invite our director sir on the stage to light the ceremonial lamp here on the stage. Right? This is the correct, and if you are trying your level best, अगर आप प्रैक्टिस कर ले तो हो सकता है कि इससे भी बेटर वेज आपके पास माइंड में जनरेट हो जाए. तो जितना बेटर टोन में आप खुद को रिप्रेजेंट करोगे वहाँ पे, इट्स द बेस्ट. That is the key, right? प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ फ्रेजेस इज द बेस्ट की. याद रखिए, फ्रेज में कितना भी तगड़ा दे दूं आप लोगों को, द पॉइंट इज इफ यू आर नॉट डिलीवरिंग इट इन द बेस्ट वे, देर इज नो यूज ऑफ गुड फ्रेजेस, राइट. अगर आपका डिलीवरी ही उस तरीके से नहीं है तो देर इज नो यूज ऑफ गुड फ्रेजेस. रिमेंबर इट ऑलवेज. सो दीज आर द 3 phrases that you need to understand, and I hope you understood the today's video and these all the phrases. If you have some doubts or if you have some other topics to recommend, if you want some other videos related anchoring, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next class now. Till then, bye bye. Take care.